Lake today. It's easy. There's a couple of small hills, but it is compact gravel, which at first I really didn't like, but you do adapt to it. It's beautiful. It's kind of hot outside, but you would never really know because you're under the canopy of the trees. So let's go Burke Lake. Some parts are paved, but most of it's compact gravel. This is why I come to Burke Lake. It's a spectacular view, peaceful and quiet. Nobody's here. It's crazy. A little treasure. This is soft gravel. To your right goes to another lake, Lake Mercer. But we're not going to go there today. It's just a field of swallowtails eating the nectar of the milkweed. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh, a very small hill here, but it's a bit rocky. Not too bad. It's pretty quiet right now, but you do see people, so I do feel quite safe on this trail. It appears to be a little sandy and smoother. Winding path here. I just rode my bike right past this view so fast. There's spots like this throughout Burke Lake. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. It's like a swamp, swampy woods. Beautiful. Oh my God, a little rocky. Oh, it smells like skunk. Woo! Gotta get out of here. Okay, another small hill. Here we go. Uh-oh, big dip. Not so bad. So I gotta be careful. It's a great ride. So it is gravel. There are a few spots that are paved, but it's well worth it. Several hills, but very minor. I think if I can do it, you can do it. Hope to see you at Burke Lake.